Hello again, guys. So I hope you already managed to make all the windows to the house. Okay, so disabling the tags, we can see the walls, we can see we have all the windows done. One important thing now is that um, you can see that those when you disable the walls, you have these lines remaining. All those lines are also objects, so that they are themselves some objects in SketchUp. So it's good if you are at this page at this point. So you just select everything. So we reselect everything, and we go to Entity Info. You will see here that on the tags it says multiple, and just put everything on the walls. So also the lines will become a part of the walls. So when I disable now, everything disappears, everything appears, which is good. We will go through quickly in how to create the doors. So disabling the walls, we look for the doors, for the door symbol. We have one door here and another door here, and that's it. Those are all the doors of the house. Again, similar to what we did before, we start dragging lines. So we switch um, to the measuring tool. Okay, we start dragging lines. We go and disable the walls, and we look here. There is a small, um there is a small piece of the wall that it's not only the door itself, but it has a little bit of wall behind. So we put the line here, enable the walls. Now I can show you a trick or another way of doing the walls. As one of your colleagues already noticed, honestly I haven't looked at this because I was looking to make everything standard or more or less the same height and width for the same height for the windows. You have here the actual dimensions of the windows that the architect has done. This means that also we have the doors. Okay, we have three doors. We will handle the third one. So the first one is called MD1. If we disable the walls, this is the one, the MD1. We already have here the dimension. So it's 1 meter width times 2.2 meter high. So we can do this door in the classical way that you already know by now. So go like this. We try to go like this. It goes in the wall. We lock it. We press the up arrow and we lock it, and we put 2.2 meters high, and this is the height of the door. And then we go like this again, and we also lock it with left arrow. So you try basically in order to lock, you try the arrows. You see, you try all of them and see which one locks on the dimension that you want. And then we move another line, also locked at 1 meter. So we type 1 meter, and then we have this door. But we can do it in a different way. So you can pick whichever works best for you. So, for example, I have only this line. This is faster because I already have the dimensions of the door. So I have the 1 point times 2.2. So I go directly to the rectangle tool. I go here, it snaps, it has to snap. So you are in the correct point. I click once, I release the mouse, okay, the left mouse button. And when I start dragging, you will see the rectangle, okay. Now, if you go and look at the dimensions field in the lower right corner, you will see the dimensions updating. Okay, and it's the same. This field is the same for all the tools that have dimensions. You can type dimensions. So I know it that it's 1.2 times 2.2 meters, but I want to understand which dimension means the higher one. So looking at that, you will see that the first dimension is the smaller one and the second dimension is the higher one. So This means that the first dimension is the width and the second dimension is the height of the door. So then I start typing 1, comma, so it's not point, it's comma, point, 2.2, now it's 2.2, okay? So this is the English way, the US way of making the decimal numbers. Now when I click enter, I have already the rectangle with the correct dimension. I have only just to push pull it, so take this and push, okay, until I have this on face, I click and I have the door. Okay, so this is one way of creating the doors. So please do the rest of the doors.